How to manipulate Excel rows with Python. Imagine you have a huge spreadsheet and need to change the order of rows, add new ones, or remove some. Doing this manually can take hours. Luckily, Python can help you automate these tasks easily. Today, I will show you how to manipulate Excel rows using Python, making your work faster and less error-prone. First, you'll want to use the Openpyxl library. It is perfect for working with Excel files that have the extension LXLX. To start, load your Excel file with Openpyxl by opening the workbook and selecting the sheet you want to work on. Once you have your sheet, you can access specific rows by their index. Remember, rows are numbered starting from 1. You can also loop through rows to process multiple at once. Inserting new rows is simple with Openpyxl. You just call the insert rows method and specify the position where you want the new rows to appear. For example, if you want to add 3 rows at the top, you use insert rows. 1 amount is equal to 3. This pushes existing rows down, making space for your new data. To remove rows, you use delete rows, with the starting index and how many rows to delete. For example, delete rows 2, amount is equal to 2, will remove 2 rows starting from the second row. You can also change the content of any cell within a row. Use sheet, cell, row is equal to X, column is equal to Y, value to assign a new value. For example, to update the first cell in row 3, you write sheet, cell, row is equal to 3, column is equal to 1, value is equal to new data. Adjusting row height is also straightforward. You access sheet, row dimensions row number, and set the height property. For example, sheet row dimensions height is equal to 70 makes the first row taller. If you want to write data row by row, Pandas is a great tool. You can create a data frame with your data and then write it to an Excel file using Pandas Excel Writer. This allows you to control exactly how each row appears in the spreadsheet. You can even loop through data frame rows and write each one separately, giving you full control over formatting and placement. To sum up, start by loading your Excel file with Openpyxl. Use insert rows to add new rows, delete rows, to remove unwanted ones, and modify cell values directly. Adjust row heights if needed. For more complex data writing, Pandas makes it easy to create and export data in a structured way. These steps help you automate tasks like data entry, restructuring, or formatting in Excel files. Mastering these techniques will make your scripting in Python much more powerful and efficient.